Okay, well, welcome back to my channel. See, I'm gonna be doing a get ready with me to go to a Netflix premiere, and I'm in a rush, so if I'm rushing or if I'm talking too fast, that is exactly why. Okay, anyway, so I'm gonna start off by putting my hair up because I want to do minimal makeup. I'm about to be on the red carpet, y'all, so we gotta do our makeup good. You feel me? Okay, so I'm using alcohol to dry out my face. Today, for some reason, is mad hot. I'm lazy right now, so I'm about to pour alcohol in my hands and I'm about to use it as hand sanitizer. Anyways, I'm about to put this concealer on my dark spots because, like I said, I'm about to be on a red carpet, you feel me? I need to look good. And I got mad dark spots, so they're slowly fading. Like, I don't have to put that much concealer over as I used to. I don't know if I could tell, but my wig is lifting and I don't care. I'm not fixing it. I do not care. It's a side part anyways. I could care less. So. Oh my gosh, there's so many dark spots. Okay. After that, I'm gonna take my itty bitty tiny beauty blender. I'm gonna spray it with some water. And I'm gonna use that to blend out my makeup. Oh my gosh. I'm rushing and I don't even know what I'm doing. Like, this is bad for business. I just missed the whole step. I'm gonna use this to help me, but I'm also gonna spray it with water because it's kind of just stuck on my face. I'm gonna sharpen my eyebrow pencil and it's from LA Colors, so it's like mad cheap, but it works. So I'm gonna draw the under part of my eyebrow. I haven't done my eyebrows in so long. I didn't even put a primer. Yo, what is going on right now? Okay, to conceal my eyebrows, I'm gonna use this Pro Concealer in Toffee. I'm gonna put it onto my angle brush, and then, yeah. On top of my eyebrows, I'm gonna use the same concealer that I use to conceal my face in Dark Cocoa. I'm gonna blend the concealer with my beauty blender. Now I'm gonna take my liquid highlighter by NYX. So I'll just put that everywhere but my eyebrows because I'm nervous that it's gonna be weird on my eyebrows. For the highlight under my eyebrows, I'm gonna take my Wet n Wild highlighter that is broken and put that under my brows. I'm gonna use my beauty blender to blend everything out. And I'm gonna go over the highlighted spots with some powder highlight. Okay, that's all I'm doing for makeup. Now for my hair, I want to get my hair a little bit flatter because I feel like it'll just complete the look a little bit better. I'm putting green Eco Styler. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm kind of finger detangling before I go in with the dimming brush. I'm gonna outline my lips with my, oh my gosh, I can't talk, I can't think. I'm gonna outline my lips with my eyebrow pencil. I'm about to do something so super weird. I do not recommend this. I never tried this before. I just saw somebody on Snapchat do it and I'm about to do it. I'm about to spray my face with Got2b. Do not try that. Got2b is not supposed to be on your face. I really don't care at this moment because I need my makeup to last, and if it doesn't, I'm really gonna be upset. And I want the oils for my skin, you know, so we're just gonna do this. Okay. Oh my gosh, that was so weird. My eyelid is sticky. Okay, onto lip gloss. So I'm gonna put my Milani Plumping Lip Gloss. And I'm also gonna use my Hydrating Lip Oil Treatment Lip Gloss. Okay, now I'm about to put some highlighter on my neck because I'm extra. So I'm about to put Vaseline in the inner parts of my legs. And then and then I'm about to spray it with perfume because, you know, we're about to smell good tonight. Period. Okay, anyways, what was I about to do? Okay, I'm about to put Vaseline behind my ears. This just helps for the scent to stay so I don't have to spray it 50 million times. I'm about to put it everywhere that I always put my perfume, pretty much. So I got these shoes from Windsor that I'm about to put on. Hold on. Snapchat
chat ready.
Hold on, let me post my feet. Welcome, family, welcome. Just watch your steps, please. Thank you so much. Watch your steps, right?
Thank you.
Just watch your steps, guys.
Can I take a picture?
That's my dad. So we're at the premiere.
Hi guys.
We just took mad pictures. We just took mad pictures.
Yeah. We just took that picture.
Winter, I literally just said this. This is not your channel.
Exactly, bro. Calm down.
You see how she be trying to take over all the time.
Red carpet, get the red carpet, get the red carpet. Jada, why are you smiling? Are we going back in again?
No, we are not going back in, but we just went in.
Period. That's my favorite cousin. He just flicked my phone. All right,
wait for them?
get me walking on the red carpet.
Hold
on.
Is she not a... What's that? Is she not a singer? Bro. She's an actress. Bro, stop shaking. Who is that?
Are you kidding me? Just tell me. Orange is the New Black.
Oh, I didn't watch that show.
Let's go back in. Let's just see the people who walk in here.
Bro.
Oh my god.
Did you get her? Grandma.
Did you get her?
Yeah, bro.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, come on.
Wait, but I'm gonna walk either that way or
But we can't just stand.
Okay, so let's go back in or go this way.
No matter what. How you doing? Oh. Okay, Grandma.
That's my grandma.
The singing place. The singing place. They'll meet you at.
Oh my gosh, I just saw the girl from Orange is the New Black.
Okay.
Anyways, that was the end of my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time.